Hi guys, it's Jane from Edo Salon. I'm here at my salon and I wanted to give you guys a little tutorial about one of my very favorite products. So that is Undressed by Hairstory Studio. The reason why I like that product is it's sort of like a salt spray, except you can use a lot more of it, and it just gives my straight, fine, baby fine kind of flat hair a lot of oomph and kind of grit, so I can have that bigger, sort of more messy look that I love. So I've been wearing my hat a lot because I'm growing out my pixie cut, and I haven't been able to trim it except on my own. So I will start with my little flat straight hair, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Undressed and I'm going to squirt a whole lot of it, going from root to end, and making sure to take a little bit on my fingers and get my little sideburn bits, because I like those to look kind of cool. So now that I have this big, massive, messy clump of slightly salty hair, I'm going to comb it through just to kind of distribute the product more evenly throughout. And my hair is about 2, maybe 3 days dirty. So it already had a lot of natural oils in it, but I really like this on more clean hair as well. Distribute the product, and then I kind of like to rub it in. And that gives straight hair, when you kind of massage straight hair, it gives it the look that it has a little bit of wave. I like to use my palms and kind of twist them and massage them to give it the look that it has a little bit of wave. And it's starting to get crazy long, so it's not the easiest one to manage, but this is one of my favorite products also to make the hair have a little more grit if you need to put your hair up quickly. If if you have a Zoom meeting or you have something going on and you just want to put your hair up in a ponytail quickly, but kind of have it be a little messier than just a tight little ponytail, this one works really well for that. It also works well if your layers on the top of your head are starting to get flumpy and you just want to have a little more volume. You can do my sort of trick of massaging it in and then kind of fluffing it. I also really like it because you can kind of piece out the ends with your fingertips, and the whole hair remains super soft, but just has more oomph. It's like there's just a little more grit to my hair, but it's still totally soft and touchable. I can still tuck it behind my ear. I can still put it back if I wanted. I can bring it forward as it starts to dry. It gets softer. It just has more volume. So that's my crazy grown out pixie. So that's it. It's just really about kind of squishing and shaping and scrunching the top of your hair. If you have a shag and your layers on top and your bangs are starting to get heavy, this is the product for you. You just bend over and kind of smush it all together. If you have a pixie, you can do the same. A bob, the same. The best thing is just to make sure that you have that you're using new wash, so your hair isn't too big and fluffy, and that you have a haircut that is properly carved into so that you can have some movement in your hair in the first place. But all hair, as it grows, loses its movement and gets kind of clunky, so after a while. So that's why I love this one for that. So my hair has definitely seen better days than the quarantine grown out cut. but I wanted to share with you guys. All right, have a beautiful, safe day, and don't forget to wash your hands.